to 9, now tuck in to form the famous Red Arrow Diamond 9 shape. The aircraft reached 6,000 feet or 1 mile above us in the sky.
Wow.
Right now the jets are flying around 150 miles an hour at the top of this loop. Less responsive, and the pilots work hard to maintain that Diamond 9 formation. Red 1 is squadron leader Jim Turner. It's his second year leading the team, but he was a wingman with the Red Arrows from 2005 to 2007. He led the synchro pair. He's a former Jaguar weapons instructor and Jaguar display pilot. Smoke comes on as Reds 2 and 3 acknowledge the move to Eagle. We'll see the 3 aircraft on each wing. Now drop back to show us the platform of the American fighter jet, the F-15 Eagle. Coming in from the right-hand side now, they'll fly the Eagle roll. As the jets go upside down, boys and girls, the pilots will see you waving out in the air. We fly the majority of our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side and the even-numbered pilots on the right-hand side. Red 6 and 7, synchro pair, tend to fly directly behind the leader in line astern. On the bottom of the formation now is Red 4, Flight Lieutenant Martin Hurt. 32nd year with the team, and he's the team's executive officer. He was former Hawk flying instructor and Harrier GR9 pilot. Smokes on now for another shape, this time on the iconic supersonic airliner. They're about to come down. So the red, white and blue, and hopefully a huge round of applause. These two are the very best of British in Concord. This year is the 70th anniversary of Operation Chastise, which was the famous Sandbusters raid carried out by 617 Squadron on the night of the 16th of May 1943. Those brave airmen flew their 19 Lancaster bombers deep into enemy territory to drop their bouncing bombs and complete their mission. With the smoke on now, the team are forming the shape of a Lancaster bomber. Coming in from our left-hand side, celebrating 70 years since the Dambusters, this is Lancaster. Has completed a tour with the famous Dambusters squadron. Red 3 is on the leader's left wing now, and he is Flight Lieutenant Mark Lawson. It's Mark's first year with the Red Arrows. He completed his first tour in the Royal Air Force with 617 Squadron, where he flew his Tornado GR4 over Iraq and Afghanistan before transferring to 9 Squadron, again flying over Afghanistan and also over Libya in 2011. Smokes on now, the team form another shape. This time it's our Titan shape. The jets in this formation are around 5 to 6 feet apart as they complete the Apollo roll.
Wow.
Right, that's another big wave, boys and girls. On the leader's right wing is another of our first-year pilots. That's Red 2, Flight Lieutenant Ollie Parr. Ollie's another former Tornado GR4 pilot. As we now have 4 frontline squadrons of Typhoons whose primary duty is to protect the airspace of the UK and the Falkland Islands. Now in from your left-hand side, 400 miles an hour. This is the Typhoon Loop. One of our pilots used to fly the Typhoon, that's Red 9, Flight Lieutenant Mike Child. He's just moving across to the far side of the Mike's another former flying instructor, he then transferred to the Typhoon, where he performed quick reactive duties accelerating up to 400 miles an hour at the bottom of this loop in a shape called Signet. In the middle of the left-hand wing as we look tail on is the last maneuver of the first half of the show. This is the Big Vixen roll. Ladies and gentlemen, we're using close formation with all 9 aircraft, flown in a rather dynamic fashion. We're now going to change the tempo of the display as we show you how this walk aircraft can do. Fred, now get your cameras ready. They start the second half of the display. Enid to our right and Chippo to our left. This is the 5-4 split.
Wow!
Made a heart. Yeah. Now watch them now in the middle. Because they're flying straight there.
They're about to perform the shape called Leaders Benefit, which is by the Lancaster we showed you. I'll talk a little bit more about 617 Squadron and its anniversary year. This one performed in Part 19.
Oh wow!
With its spoke on to the right-hand side is Red 6, leader of the synchro pair, Flight Lieutenant Chris Legend Smith. It's his third and final year with the team. He's a former Tornado GR4 pilot and Hawk flying instructor. On the right, he's chased down by Red 9. Looking left with the smoke is Red 7. Chased down. Charlotte Penny, whose birthday is today. She's 9 years old. She's from Flixman, and this is a big happy birthday to you, Charlotte. Looking top left of the heart now. Here comes the smoke. This is Red 8, completing the heart with a spear. Red 8, Flight Lieutenant Ben Plank. He's in his 4th year with the team. He's another former Hawk flying instructor, Harrier John 9 pilot. Last year, he led the synchro pair. Ladies and gentlemen, Red 6, 7 and 8 with their heart and spear.
Oh, look at seagulls.
Your right 45 degrees, you'll see speed are being enjoyed by Red 8 and 9. Red 1 pulls them up in a loop in 7-ship Vixen formation. He's now twisting this loop through 90 degrees towards us, what's known as a quarter clover.
Oh, God.
Now get your cameras ready for the good bits.
It's coming at us.
This is the vertical break.
Yay! Look at that.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the vertical break. together to recover back to Blackpool Airport, where our team of Blues will turn the aircraft with some more fuel in, some more diesel for the smoke system, and then the pilots are actually going to be flying in here to Southport to see you guys on the ground. So if you'd like to come and meet the Red Arrows pilots, with our Red Arrows of the armed facilities, the red and white and blue tents, along the seafront, around about an hour's time.
Oh, we're going now. Coming here because they can't do the ticket tomorrow, innit?
Let's hear really loud when we come, Josh.
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen, coming in from your left-hand side in diamond formation. Have a big round of applause for the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, that is the display complete. As I said, the pilots will be back here in about an hour's time to meet you. Hopefully I'll get to see some of you there as well. Come and say hello. But now, thank you for watching and for listening. I wish you all the very best on behalf of the Royal Air Force and from everybody at the Red Arrows. Enjoy the rest of the air show. Over to you, George.
Yeah, thank you very